Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today I'm going to share how you can copy and paste data from one platform into a Google Sheets template without affecting the formatting issues within your sheet. We want to add data like this so that the formatting is consistent based on the setup of this Google Sheets template. Today I'll be showing you this inside Sheetify CRM, our all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template. If you want to learn more about how this business template could work for your small business, I will add relevant tutorials and resources down below in the description. Okay, let's dive in. Now within this page we have contacts and leads. So let's say I got a new lead, a new contact, and I want to copy and paste their data from the email they sent me. I'll show you what you shouldn't do and what most people tend to do. Okay, let's jump into the email and let's go ahead and let's say that we want this name, the full name of this contact. I would hit Control V or Command V, depending on the device type you're using. Then inside Google Sheets, I would right click and most people click on paste or Control V. And you can see we're already having these formatting issues. Again, let's jump back over to the email and let's say I want to pull in the company name. I'm going to copy this, jump back over to Google Sheets and paste that under account name by clicking here, Command V. Again, you can see the formatting is just not correct. Instead, what you would do is you would special paste values only. For example, right click, paste special, values only. And again, with the first name, I'll go and copy that again quickly. Here's the full name, Command C, and then right click, special paste, and values only. On Apple, I can also use Command Shift V, and you can see the formatting is correct. If you're importing data from a bulk spreadsheet, then again, make sure that you're copying all the data. Then when you're pasting all that data, you're using paste special and values only. That way you're not going to disrupt the formatting on your Google Sheets template. Now, if you're interested in this Google Sheets CRM template, I'll add a video down below in the description that shows you how you can automatically import contacts from Gmail directly inside this contacts and leads setup. However, that is everything I wanted to cover today, showing you how you can copy and paste data from a different platform that is formatted differently and how to paste that into a template that has its own formatting without disrupting the formatting once you've pasted that data. And there we have it. If you have any questions about this video, make sure to add those questions down below in the comments. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.